Okay, let's go to Samsi, New Zonka. National Highway, Phuntsling National Highway. Wow, it looks so amazing. Wow, incredible. Yes, and yes. Welcome to Samsi भनेर माथि लेखेको छ उनीहरूले। That means we are on right road. Yeah, So far, how is the journey? What may? Why you are laughing?
I'm speechless.
Look at this greenery area. This land is surrounded forest. Good morning, guys. I'm on the way to Samsi right now.
Hello.
Welcome to Samsi, guys. Welcome to Samsi. Oh, Samsi. So we are here at tackling. That one was old bridge and this is new bridge. Yeah, we're gonna just get This one is new bridge. That one was old one. Ini भनेको छ नि लामो bridge. Okay. Good. We have reached to my wife's place, birthplace, honey.
But not blood, it's my village.
Village, okay, village. We have reached at my wife's village. So this village name is Sangechhori.
Sanchirin Gewak.
Yo. So we are here. You can see the surrounding. Just show them. And we do have our grandfather. Come, I'll show you. How old he is. Okay. I'll just
Ask.
हजुर बाबा कति उमेर हुनु भयो रे तपाई
नेपाली बुझ्दैन होला
हुन्छ हुन्छ भन्नुहोस् न नेपालीबाट भन्नुहोस् के
100 पुग्नु
100 पुग्नु
यति छ 100 पुग्नु
100 पुग्नु 4 साल छ
4 साल
द्याट मिन्स 96 पुग्नु भएछ नि
हजुर
ए
यो 4 सालमा पनि आधा खाइहाल्यो त्यो चाहिँ
आधा खायो
खाइसक्यो
ए त्यसो भए अन्त हामी भन्दा पनि डर हुनुहुन्छ तपाईँ त
कसो छ
हामी त अब हेर्नु न 35 इयर्स
कति
पुग्यो
उमेर नानी कति उमेर
35 भन्दा कति भन्छ 30 पुगेर 5 35 पुगेछ तर पनि तपाईँ डर हुनुभएको छ जस्तो देख्दैछ अहिले त हेर्नु त टु boil this water come first
खतरा पुगेछ
so now we have to put it here so this is our village life
के नहुन्थ्यो बोक्नु पर्छ नि अन्त तल ठाकुरको भाइको अन्त कैलाशको भाइको देवदासको
so now we have to wait for maybe 15 to 20 minutes max we have to wait for half an hour then we can take shower with this hot water hot running water look at how our grandfather he wants to work in a field look at him he's very old and you want to pile this stone look at him look how he is working even I won't be able to do that one it's amazing for me it's impossible look at this generation he's working he's 96 years old and he's working at this age I'm totally amazed look at him
जिन्दा के ल्याउँछ तिमीहरूको हाम्रो बाजे यति उमेरमा गयो यस्तो काम गर्दै थियो भन्ने किताब बस्छ
बाजे यस्तो ढुङ्गाहरू नउठाउनुहोस् साह्रो पर्छ
सबैले भन्छ खोइ त्यसै बस्दा नि बिमारी पो हुन्छ म त
ए बिमार हुनु
2 दिन भयो गरेँ अब त्यही
take shower don't come okay come. Show them this hot water this cold water so we'll mix and we'll take shower so bye bye what a beautiful sunset here we do have the called Chautara so in memory of someone who passed away so they call Chautara is here. I think we have to go down there to catch the fish. The river is there. I could hear the sound of river as well from here. So this is the village life. So we do have road, but this is not like they have not kind of put any tar on it. You can see the moon out here. It's the morning sunrise. हजुर This is so-called village life. In the morning itself, you have to plow the field. This is how it's done. You can see all kind of vegetables, chili, you can see saag, beans, onions. I think this one is tapioca. You do have here cabbage as well. You can see there. And these are bitterness. These are hay leaves. Hay. So this place where they call cow shit, right? बाजे कहाँ जानु भएको? घुम्दै जानु भएको? घुम्दै जानु भएको अहिले?
खुट्टा सुरु गरे
ए हजुर. Baby.
गाई दिएको हेरेको यसलाई लगाएको
哎，可以。
좀 바지 좀 북나트 하미. The government ko kota na. So me and my wife, we are going for fishing. Let's go. It's too dangerous. I'm scared of this way. So my wife, she's in front of me because I have to watch over her. Otherwise, she might fall down. I have to cross this stream, small stream. I think this one is channel. So we have to go all the way to river. So even I'm walking here, see this river. This channel is for irrigation purposes, I guess. So we have to cross this one and go. So I'm doing two to three works at a time, multitasking. We are about to reach main river. So after reaching, I'll just show you how we are fishing. So we are kind of here. This is the river. So we are going to fish here. I know I'll get 5 to 10 kgs fish. Look at this place. How she's climbing. She's a strong woman. So we are gonna fish here. We're searching for a lot of fish.
बेबी चप्पल लाउनु के गरेको यसलाई भेरी भेरी टाइनी
This is the main river where we are fishing. We are very tired after catching a lot of fish. My baby, she's gonna catch fish. So she's going inside now. Baby, go, go, go. Go inside, go. This is the main fish which we have got. This one. She wants to cross the river. We are going to catch a lot of fish today. We caught it. So we have to go there and go all the way up. We are trying to cross this river. Great time. हामी चाहिँ जाँदैछ अब खै बुढी कहाँ गयो बुढी अरे जाउँ घरमा जाउँ है जाउँ अब हिँड्दै कहिले खान्छ ल अब seems like they are very tired राते उ त tired अब बसेको यहाँ चौतारा
चारजना आएको छ नि हौ, अलि छिटो पुगौँ भने झन् मर्यो म त दिनै दिनु उहाँ कहाँको बाँदरको कटेर हुँदो छ त्यो डाँडा
I don't know anything. So this bridge was the old one. So this one is new one. You can see that one's new one. So this one is older. So you can see from this location. So now they have, I think they have restricted. No one can use this bridge. So what they have done is they have constructed new bridge. You can see from here. Let me zoom it. Just give me a second. Yeah, this one is new and this one is old one. कता जानु भएको हजुर? हजुर बुढी कता जानु भएको? घुम्नु जानु भएको?